I also had to leave my mom behind. I left with the dream of wanting to help her with her cancer, but this Saturday, my mom died, and I couldn't return. Saturday, she died. I'll never see her again. That has affected me so much.
A person with the sides of their head shaved drops their gaze.
The only thing that came to mind when they asked on the phone what my dream is was that my dream had already collapsed. Now I'm trying to set myself another goal because I didn't accomplish the one that I had. I swear the only thing I wanted was to fix my papers, return home, and tell her, "Hi, Mom," once again.
The speaker nods.